This year, the journey of Bell is 70 years strong. We can all be very proud of what we as a team have achieved globally from our humble beginnings here in Zululand. And today, the entire Bell family values and acknowledges every team member's contribution to the success of our business over the decades. Thank you for the time and the input to our company. Thank you to your families too, for their loyalty and devotion in supporting you through your career at Bell. Each of you are key to the success of Bell. We appreciate you and we recognize and cherish it all.
It's all the contribution that you've made that's made the company what it is today. And we're looking forward to celebrating this day with you.
Let us make a difference, be the change, make a real impact to our business to take it to the next level going forward. We're going to ask everyone to stand and raise your glasses, please. To many more happy and prosperous years ahead. I wish you an enjoyable and memorable day today. Thank you very much. Cheers.
It feels incredibly special to be standing here today, celebrating this milestone with you all.
Bell family is indeed a beautiful family to be part of.
I will take a lot of good memories. I found joy in the work that I've had to do at Bell Equipment.
As I stand here today, I reflect on the growth and learning that have shaped my career and the person that I am today.
The compassion that is shown between all of us, it just makes such a difference when people really, really care for one another.
My relationship with Bell dates back 17 years ago, participating in the Celsi Take a Girl Child to Work Day initiative. Back then, I could never have imagined that today I would be part of this remarkable company.
Thank you to Bell Equipment. It's enabled me to educate my children, to have a house, to have everything that I have today, and for that I'm grateful.
I know one day when I retire, I will miss the energy, the enthusiasm, the challenges, the trust and respect, and the great, great team spirit.
We're excited for the PHI that's out there. It's like a monster that's coming up, but I'm sure that we're more than able to carry this vision and make a difference.
I stand proudly amongst you, and my blood will always be brilliant Bell yellow.